Hi everyone, this is my first video interview at Maru CHOT School. I'm ลวรรณ You can call me Zoom. It means zoom in, zoom out, something like that. I'm turning 30 years old in next year. I come from Krabi. Krabi is one of southern in Thailand. First, I'm interested jobs about food and beverage for cruise ships. I searched on internet and found this here. I'm sure it may get knowledge and experience. And then finally, thank you for my support from family and friends. See you next time. Hi everyone, I'm ลวรรณ You can call me Zoom. Today I talk about my country. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok. The major city in my country is Phuket. Phuket province is in southern Thailand and on Andaman seaside. I live in Krabi. Krabi are top attractions to visit in town. In PP Island, there are two islands, Pipidon, Pipile. Pipidon is habitat and the one where is crowded with tourists is water supply and stunning beach. It's really paradise. Yes, thank you. See you next time.
Hi everyone, my name is ลวรรณ You can call me Zoom. I'm 29 years old. I'm graduated in bachelor degree from Naresuan University. I used to be customer service at Siam Commercial Bank and Krung Thai Bank for 3 years. And currently I study at Maru CHOT Cruise and Hotel Job Training. I'm enthusiastic to learn new things, open-minded and highly responsible. I'm looking for bigger challenge and new experience. I forward to grow up in my career. Thanks.